beautiful people of the internet, welcome to my channel, That Kiwi Girl. My name is Amy Michelle and today we are going to be taste testing some snackables. So let's get to the video. The first one that I'm going to start with is Cacao, Mint and Almond. So you get 5 balls in here, and this one is made out of dates, raisins, almonds, sunflower seeds, desiccated coconut, cacao powder and peppermint oil. So I like that it's dairy free, gluten free, non-GMO. There's 6 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber, and it's all natural fruit, nuts and seeds. So let's give this one a go. This is what this one looks like. Nice and dark with some coconut. It's actually quite nice. It's kind of like dry, really dry, so you definitely want some drink with it, but otherwise it's really good. Okay, so this is the next one, and this one is salted caramel. So this one is the same, all natural fruit, nuts and seeds, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, but this one's 9 grams of protein and 5 grams of fiber. This one has dates, cashew nuts, sunflower seeds, raisins, desiccated coconut, pea protein, sea salt, and natural caramel flavour. This is what this one looks like. Wow. You get like a big burst of... I don't even know what that is. This one's quite sickly. Like, you probably wouldn't be able to have more than one, which is probably a good thing. Yeah, I'm not sure how I feel about that one. So far, I prefer the cacao, mint and almond. Okay. This one is peanut butter and cacao. So this one has all natural fruit, nuts and seeds. It's vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, 9 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. And this one has dates, peanuts, cacao powder, sunflower seeds, desiccated coconut and sea salt. So this one's for peanut butter lovers, which I love peanut butter, but I can give or take on it sometimes. So this will be interesting. And here we go. Oh, you can smell the peanut butter for sure. My new favourite, but it is also sickly as well, so on to the next one. This one is the natural fruit, nuts and seeds, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, 6 grams of protein, 4 grams of fiber. And this one's the strawberry and macadamia. Dates, cashew nuts, macadamia nuts, pea protein, desiccated coconut, sunflower seeds, dried strawberries, and natural strawberry flavour. This is a strawberry one. I have a new favourite again. But they all have that sickliness to them. I have this one next. Cranberry and Cashew. All natural fruit, nuts and seeds, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, 4 grams of protein, 4 grams of fibre. And in this one we have dates, cranberries, apple juice, concentrate, vegetable oil, cashew nuts, sunflower seeds, desiccated coconut, and pea protein. Here we have it. This one I do not like. I don't know what it is about it, but maybe it's the dates. No, the other ones had dates. I don't know, that one is not one that I like personally, but it might be quite a nice flavour for some people. This one is Zesty, lemon and coconut, and it has vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, non-GMO, 6 grams of protein, 5 grams of fibre. And this one has, where are we? Dates, cashew nuts, desiccated coconut, pea protein, lemon zest, concentrated lemon juice, sea salt, and natural vanilla flavour. Alright. It's got a lot of dates, so I'm a little bit worried again. I'm not a big fan of dates. Okay. It's very lemony, which obviously because it's lemon, but oh, they're super strong. If you like lemon, you'll like it. I'm just not a huge fan. It's quite strong. Very, very strong. Thank you so much for watching. If you like that video, give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button also to receive notifications. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye!